Happy Friday, everybody, or should I say unhappy Friday if you're looking at your stock portfolio? Wow, absolutely brutal. Generally, the first Friday of every month, the Bureau of Labor Statistics employment report comes out, and that's the biggest market mover for, well, at least for the mortgage market anyway. But this Friday, no one even cares. It's all about the trade war, and the trade war is wreaking havoc on the stock market. My beloved S&P 500 is getting crushed. I'm staying strong. I'm not going to get rattled. But mortgages have also dropped dramatically. So now we're looking at a 0.75% drop just in the last few weeks, from roughly 7.25% all the way down. Basically today, national average 20% down is right around 6.5%. But we're looking at some stuff at like 6.25%. I looked at a VA loan yesterday at 5.75%. So some pretty dramatic changes, and also some big dramatic changes on the probability of rate cuts for this year from the Fed. So previously we had an 11% chance of a Fed rate cut this coming May. That's shot all the way up to 38%. But what is also significant is we've gone from the market expecting 2 rate cuts this year to 4. So that's some really good news for stimulating the economy, and also some really good news for home buyers. Now, can we break below 6% on mortgages? Well, we're getting close. So if you reflect back, it wasn't that long ago, just September of 2024, when we hit 6.1. It wasn't for very long, just for a couple weeks, and then it shot back up again. But we had 10-year treasuries right around that 3.7-ish range. We're at about 3.9 right now. So we need a little bit more from our 10-year treasury. And if we can keep at that 3.6, 3.7 range on the 10-year treasury just for even just a little bit, maybe just even a couple, like a week, 2 weeks in a row, we should see mortgages actually drop below 6%. Fingers crossed. It will take some data, though. It's going to take some data, specifically in the employment sector. We need to see a little bit more weakness in the employment side of things, and that will be what the catalyst will be to bring that 10-year treasury down, and thus mortgage interest rates down. So, crazy week. A lot more buying power for buyers out there. Opportunities to refinance are starting to pop up all over the place. Of course, I automatically let my clients know when the time is right. But if you do have any questions about financing a home, please give us a call. Let us know. Happy Friday.